to use a shortcut in life. Basically, sometimes you might have a podcast and you like to actually transcribe them into text file. A lot of time you're looking for audio to text converter. So this is a free tools by Google. You're able to actually use it for free as long as you're using Google Chrome, right? It's a free tool, very simple to use. Just click on this button. You're able to actually start transcribing your audio file. However, I will do a demonstration for you. However, because of my English is actually not the mainstream English, right? They might not be able to capture it as correctly. But however, I still try my best to read as accurately as possible. So this is the demonstration. In this demonstration, you will see how easily it is to convert any of your audio or spoken words directly into a plain text for free by simply using your own Chrome web browser, period. Why do you need to use these tools? Question mark. As a lecturer, you might actually need to transcribe your audio file into text for your student, period. This can be proved very useful for people who like free resources, period. Alright, so as this demonstration actually show you that based on this free tool, you can actually use a free conversion from audio to text very easily. That's all for my demonstration. As a bonus tips, right, I just want to share with you if you like to actually have a large chunk of text and like to actually convert it into audio, right? It's actually very simple. Get into any website, right? Okay, highlight the text you like to actually pronounce out, right? And then you right click on Chrome and go to the speech and start speaking.
This page shares my best articles to read on topics like health, happiness, creativity, productivity, and more. The central question that drives my work is, how can we live better? To answer that question, I like to write about science-based ways to solve practical problems.
Okay, so that's the basically two hack to actually give you transcription conversion between audio and text. If you like this video, okay, just like my channel, links are provided below. So if you subscribe, right, okay, you get notified in my future productivity hacks. Thank you.